Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Underlord, this is Underkeets, and it's not so sober Saturday. And tomorrow it's New Year's Eve. So, I've bought some alcohol just to celebrate it, and maybe you'll get, another video after this. Yeah, maybe not. We'll see if I buy more alcohol. So, I have some Antica Sambuca with cherry flavor. 38%. They had with apple flavor, banana flavor, and cherry flavor. I wanted to buy first some sours, but that's 14%. This is 38, so I thought, well, I want to get drunk, so the higher percent, I've never had Sambuca before. Oh, what the hell? I did not expect this. Okay, that's okay. It's a liqueur, so But this is pretty cool actually. I like it. I really like it. I did not expect this. Before it falls down, and it has some cherry flavor, cherry smell, but it also maybe kind of reminds me a bit of licorice. Well, I don't know. Oh, before I forget, I have tried absinthe before here. This is the fairy absinthe, but what I saw was they had also devil absinthe. This one was green and that one is red. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. So maybe it's time to buy some absinthe again. This time to do also a sugar cube in it, with some water on it. Because that's how you're supposed to drink it. But we're here for the Sambuca, so I'll put it back. So, Happy New Year. It kind of reminds me of cough syrup. I wouldn't say that it's very good actually. It's definitely a bit burning. I probably have to mix it with something, and not drink it straight. Like I said, the flavor is a bit of cough syrup. It's okay to fine, so I will give this 3.3. Yes, 3.3 out of 5. Buy some yourself, try some yourself, and don't forget to leave a like, recommend your favorite flavor Sambuca down below in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel. Definitely subscribe to the channel. And obviously, drink responsible. Drink responsible. Don't drink and drive, even though it's on a bicycle, even though it's in a car. Don't drink and drive. Order an Uber, taxi, go with the bus, go with the public transportation. And don't be a bother to other people, obviously. Don't be a mean drunk or a bothersome drunk. So, I'll leave it at that. Happy holidays. And I'll see you guys maybe later. Now, definitely on my other channel. You will see me tomorrow on New Year's Eve. Maybe I will buy something also for New Year's Eve and that I will drop something on Sunday. Who knows, who knows, who knows. But if I don't, happy 2024. And I'll see you guys next year. Bye. Oh, and before I forget, if you light fireworks, do it safely and don't lose some fingers, some eyes, some nose, some ears, some hair, some toes, some limbs, or some organs. Just stay whole. Stay whole and don't lose something important to your body. Yeah. And obviously don't throw it at animals or whatever. Just be safe with fireworks. Bye, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? After reconsideration of the Sambuca, I've drank, what's that? 1/3, a quarter of the bottle. I give this one actually a 2, maybe 2.5, because it's not that good after that much. It has to be still tasty. Like sours that I have there on my so there there on my closet. That one is better because that still has good flavor after a few shots of it. But this Sambuca, it's for the first few shots, it's okay, but after that it's just so I will reconsider this and get a 2 out of 5. Happy holidays, not Thanksgiving, Happy New Year's, I meant, and don't lose your fingers, and obviously drink SpongeBob. Bye, guys.